Figured I could show you guys this while I'm working on these nuke boxes, but this is just an old cabinet door. I got a handful of these, enough to make 40 nukes. And as you'll see, it's conveniently cut with a frame rest already in it. You know, this is where the cabinet, shuts into the, kitchen cabinets. These are old kitchen cabinets. And yeah, so if you can find these, it saves a bunch of time not having to put the dado blade on the table saw. And sometimes they're just a little bit too shallow. And what you can do is, sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera when I said that, but what you can do is you can just, set your fence up to just take a little bit off of that. You still don't have to take your other blade out and put the dado blade on, or maybe you don't even have a dado blade. So if you can find these, it's a good way to make a whole bunch of cheap nukes. This is definitely quantity over quality type territory that we're dealing with here, but nukes are super beneficial. So if you're gonna take the time to build something, maybe you don't have the money to go out and buy a bunch of stuff new. If you're gonna build some stuff yourself, I feel like nukes are the most beneficial. You'd think maybe like a full 10 frame box would be better because it uses less wood per frame, but nukes are just so more versatile than a 10 frame box. I think I'm going to be able to build wax faster, for example, things like that, put smaller colonies into them. I can use them to make queens and then just, put them right into the nuke yard and just, kind of keep going like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'll put a box together on this, kind of how I got this set up right here, and maybe show you guys some footage of the bees bringing in some pollen. Should be a pretty short video. Thanks. Let's see. So this is mostly cat brood over here, but I see some larvae sprinkled in there. I have to wash these bees. Lots of capped brood. There's the queen. She's kind of hard to see. She's right there at the top. She's one of them that have multiple colors on her, so it's a little tricky to find her in here, but it's difficult to assess the pattern because she's kind of laying all over the place, but she's brooding up pretty good, so right over here by the entrance for whatever reason, so